Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to find maximum and minimum element of an array. Means we will have the array like five numbers, three numbers, or seven numbers, anything like that. In which we have to find which number is the maximum or highest number or lowest number or minimum number. Okay, so hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, and after that wordmain function and open the bracket. So first of all, we are declaring one array variable, that is a of 10. That means size is what, 10. After that, integer I, that is for the for loop which we require. Then we are using maximum and minimum two variables actually. That means we are going to store the answer of maximum in max and answer of minimum in min, and then size. Okay, now first of all, printf enter the size of an array. It means what, like we are asking user that how many numbers you want to enter. So user can say like 5, 3, 7, 8, something like that. So for example, okay, for example here, if I enter size, for example I will right now add comment like for example 5, just for the future reference purpose. Okay, that means here we have entered size as what, 5. Now printf enter the elements in the array. Means now we have to enter the elements in the array one by one. So we have used for loop here, that is I equal to 0, then I less than size and I plus plus. That means from I equal to 0, and we know that size is what, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 times for loop. Okay, so scanf and a of I. Okay, scanf and a of I indicates what, that a of 0 first time, for example if I enter 8, then second time for example if I enter 10, then third time if I enter 20, then fourth time if I enter 12, and then fifth time if I enter what, 30 for example. Okay, so obviously size of an array is 5, that is this one, and obviously we have entered how many numbers, 5 numbers, that is 8, 10, that is 20, 12, and 30. Okay, so now what is the next step? Okay, so next is what we are doing is maximum and minimum is equal to a of 0, a of 0. Okay, so whichever number is there at a of 0, that is your maximum also and minimum also by default, initial point we can say. So here also in comment I am writing like for example max equal to, and we know that the first number which we have entered is what, 8. Okay, and same way minimum also I am writing 8. Okay, now, okay, maximum also it is 8, and right now minimum also it is what, 8. Now the main part of this program, or you can say logic part, for I equal to 1, I less than size, as I said we know that size is what, 5. Okay, so I less than size and I plus plus, so 1 less than 5, and we know it is nothing but the true condition. If, okay, if a of 1, because I is 1 now, if a of 1 is greater than max. Okay, now what is there in a of 1, let us check first. It is 10, second number. Okay, so if 10 is greater than maximum, maximum is what, this one, 8. So obviously 10 is greater than 8, so here it will be like maximum equal to what, 10. So now the value of maximum has been changed from 8 to what, 10. Okay, now same condition, if your a of 1, that means 10 only, if it is less than minimum, minimum is what, 8. So 10 is not less than 8, so right now condition is false only, so obviously come out from if only directly. So after this we have changed the value of maximum to 10, but minimum is nothing but what, 8 only. We are not changing here because condition is false. So again back to for loop here, I plus plus. Okay, so now I is what, 2. So 2, so less than 5. Again a of 2. Now in a of 2 we have 20. So 20 greater than current value of max. So what is the current value of max? 10. So 20 greater than 10. Obviously condition is true only. So that means now again I will change here, and instead of 10 now I will write what, max equal to 20. Okay. So now the latest or current value of max is what, 20. Again if condition for minimum. 20 less than 8 because minimum is 8 only, 8. Again condition false, so minimum 8 only. Again I plus plus, I is 3 now, so 3 less than 5, condition is true only. Now again here, now here a of 3, so a of 3 is what? 12. Okay, these are nothing but the 5 numbers which we have entered here. Okay, I will show you. 12, and after that we have 30 actually. Okay, after that, right now it is 12. So 12 greater than current value of max? No, condition is what? False. So your max will remain 20 only. And here 12 less than 8? No, it is again condition false. So your minimum will remain same as 8 only. Again I plus plus here. Now I is what? 4. 4 less than 5. Condition is true only. So again it will come here a of 4. So as I said, our last value is 30. So 30 greater than maximum value is what? 20. Yes, 30 is greater than 20. So now we have to change this. So now instead of 20, it will be like what? 30. Okay. It is what? Max equal to what? 30. Again here, 30 less than 8. No, condition is false. So still minimum is 8 only. Again I plus plus. I is 5. Now 5 less than 5. Now condition is what? False. So after this, we know that maximum is what? 30 and minimum is what? 8. So here printf print maximum and printf print minimum. So here is the output. Enter the elements. So 5 elements and numbers are 8, 10, 20, 12 and 30. So out of these 5 numbers, 30 is the maximum one and 8 is what? Minimum element. Thank you.